This corner drop seeding some fescue onto the chipping greens. Using fescue in these greens because no automatic irrigation over here, and fescue just gives a bit of fight against drought, and sometimes these greens are maybe have to look after themselves a little bit more than the golf course greens. Height of cut is usually a little bit higher, so the fescue's got a good chance of survival. See corner dropping on seed there. Seed will get brushed down with some sand and hopefully down the holes and scatterpine marks.